Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to have different headers on Wix. Let's begin. Now the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Wix, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Wix, having different headers on various pages can help enhance the design and functionality of your website by tailoring the look or content of the header based on the context of each page. Now, for you to be able to do that, all you have to do is click on the Sites section on the left side panel of your dashboard, because that would lead you to the... Now, once you are inside of the Wix editor, basically, Wix headers are generally consistent across all pages by default. Alright, so this is going to be the header. For you to be able to have different headers, there's going to be an option that says, you see, shape dividers, for example, that you can simply click on tilt, ellipse, liquid, left wave, and a lot more, right? But for click on none, there is a simple way for you to quickly edit the headers, wherein you can change the color if you're, or the background section, text mask, image, and image here. You see, you have also an option for the layout. You can add another section if you don't have any layout options for this. After doing so, there's gonna be more option here wherein you can rename this section. So basically, this is how you have a different headers. Now, I'm gonna change all of it. I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna choose this one. Maybe have a different image if you want. Maybe go to the media from Wix, so you can have like a different option. Choose image here. On the image, I'm gonna change it to something like, I don't know, from Unsplash. Wait for it. Probably this one. And of course, from here, you can create a dynamic page in the Wix editor. So you have successfully have a different header. All right. Now, the idea is you can create different headers for specific pages, giving you more control over how your Wix site looks and functions. If you are not happy with it, how it looks, you might want to click on undo to revert it back to its original form. All right. Because if you're using a Wix blog or Wix store, you can customize headers specifically for blog or product pages using the built-in customization options in the Wix editor. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.